Did you know that you don't even need a drum kit to get started out on the drums? It's a big decision to make buying a drum kit if you're not quite sure whether you're going to stick to it or not. One of the best things about learning the drums to start off with without having a drum kit is it gives you less options. Just start with some nice simple patterns for your hands, which are called drum rudiments. There's a link in the description below to some great rudiments to start off with on the drums. These patterns are used to loosen up your hands, and they're constantly used within drumming on the drum kit as well. You can learn drum beats with them, you can play drum fills with them, and you can combine them all together. There's loads of rudiments. So a great place to start is single strokes, double strokes, paradiddles. There's loads of them. You pick some and you literally just take your hands like this and you pat on your legs. You can do it anywhere. That's the beauty about the drums. You can practice that instrument anywhere you want. You can't quite do that with every other instrument, so us drummers have an advantage. Here's a little bit of an example. If I just take some single strokes, which is going right, left, see how I'm just patting on my knees? Just keep doing that basically. So right, left, 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 and accent it in different places. So hit a bit harder on your knees somewhere. You hear that nice accent coming through now. And accent it in different places. So practicing this with your hands is also teaching you how to use drumsticks as well. If I get some drumsticks, and I'll demonstrate the exact same thing with some drumsticks now. I'll do single strokes again just to keep it really simple. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Notice how I'm accenting right, left, right. And I'll accent in a different place. Anything you learn with your hands is always helping you on the drums with your drumsticks as well. And when you do go on a drum kit, you can put everything that you're practicing with your hands to the test on your own drum kit. I could now use a different drum rudiment, so I'll use double strokes. I'll put a link to a double strokes lesson in the description below. And it's just slightly different from the last one. So this time it's right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Take the accents out and put some accents in. Honestly, it looks like it hurts, but it does not hurt at all doing it on your knees. You don't have to do it on your knees. You can do it on a pillow, you can do it on a cushion, you can do it on any surface you want. I constantly find myself drumming with my hands on the steering wheel of my car all the time. You can do it anywhere as long as it's safe to do so. Now I'm going to take one more pattern and just demonstrate that on my legs. So I'm going to do a paradiddle this time. Notice how the pattern that I'm using with my hands is no longer right, left, right, left, right, left, or right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. I'm kind of combining the two patterns together to create a new pattern. When you put this onto a drum kit, you can start creating beats from just blending all of these patterns together in completely different ways, and your muscles will naturally get used to doing it themselves. Here's a demonstration of a paradiddle a little bit faster, just on my legs still. And again, if I take some drumsticks and do the exact same thing. I'd actually say it's even a little bit easier with your hands But that hand training, that pattern for me has been learnt by just starting out with just my hands. I started out without having a drum kit for years, and then by the time I got a drum kit, I could already play quite a lot of stuff already, just by practicing with my hands and my feet, to be honest as well. You can practice with your feet without even having a drum kit. Now finally, check out what I do now. I'm just going to blend a load of different patterns together, and I don't know what I'm going to do, but all of these patterns are soaked into my muscle memory. I'm just combining maybe single strokes with double strokes, with paradiddles, with rudiments, with just completely different things, and let's just see what comes out naturally. And this is just from doing this so many times on my legs, with my drumsticks, and on the drum kit as well. Yeah, I don't have a clue what I was doing then, but I was just blending loads of different hand patterns. You'll get used to doing that also if you just tap along on any surface possible. Any time spent tapping is no time wasted, and the perfect place to get started is with some drum rudiments. So there's a link to a playlist below in the description in which there's a few drum rudiments that you can practice. There's also a link in the description below to our website in which we've got courses for the drums which are designed to help you start out and even progress to higher levels as well, so check that out. Finally, just make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon as well to keep up to date with future lessons. It all helps us massively. We want to pass this knowledge on to you because we have a passion for it. If you need any advice on the drums, just let me know in the comments what you're struggling with, and I'll see what I can do to help you. In the meantime, I'll catch you next time. Drum lesson every single Monday, so I will see you next Monday.